Maybe to start things off, do you believe
Mm,
that active, ethical, and investment management is the best combination for Aussie
mm,
equities?
mm. Yeah, look, I'd hesitate to say the best because, like, I think in everything, right, there's different ways of winning. It
Mm,
certainly served us at Australian Ethical very well over a long period of time, and I think we're really good at it. Um, and look, I think the first thing you kind of got to acknowledge is that you're trying to do two things at once, so it's quite different to conventional investment management in some respects.
mm,
So you've got quite a different universe, for example, than a conventional investment manager. And now that can be helpful. It can kind of push you into some of the right sort of areas and right sort of companies. It can help you manage some of the risks that other people may not be seeing. But you've also got to be a good investment manager, right? It's no good just
for
saying,
sure.
okay, now I'm just going to pick a whole lot of ethical companies and sort of hope that they go up
Mm,
through time. So we actually sort of have quite a bit of independence as well as collaboration between the ethics team and the investment team, and we think that's important from a governance point of view, because what we don't want at the end of the day is the investment manager sort of saying, oh, well, I kind of like this company, therefore it's ethical, or the ethical team saying, oh, it's ethical, therefore invest.
mm,
What we really want to do is find companies that meet our ethical charter, and then within that universe, create a portfolio of companies that we think can outperform through time. And so I think there are a few other advantages that we get in this process, because a lot of people say, oh, well, you're restricting the universe,
mm,
therefore it's not an optimal portfolio. But some things that it's done for us is that we develop deep pockets of expertise in certain sectors. So we kind of know things like healthcare, utilities, information technology really well. I think it's pushed us away from always wanting to track a benchmark. We know we've got this different universe.
mm.
So
That's a good
we're
point.
pretty benchmark unaware in terms of our Aussie equity strategies, and so that's something that's really resonated with our clients. They know what we stand for. They know that we're taking active risk as fund managers, and we think they want us to take active risk. And probably the final thing I'd say is that it has probably pushed us outside that kind of top 20, names.
Mm.
We've even got an emerging companies fund which invests outside the top 100, which has been really successful. So we have kind of benefited, I think, in a number of ways from that difference. And we're just proud of being different and who we are.